Hi guys, let's learn Google Sheets. Google Sheets might be something that you have used in the past, or this might be the very first time that you're getting in and using Google Sheets. Some students might find it a little bit intimidating, but that's why there's a video here to help you out. Just follow along the steps and we'll get through it together. All right. Let's look at our instructions on here. The instructions are below what you actually need to do. So the first thing that you need to do, it says add a dash and your first and last name to the end of the title for the sheet. So add a dash and your name to the end of the title. So there's my dash is already there. You can put one in. All right, step 1. That looks done. Now we're going to go down to step 2. Let's see here. Step 2 says start by reading the purple box and naming each blue cell. Let's read the purple box together. Each box in a spreadsheet is called a cell. Name each cell by first listing the letter in the column, followed by the number in the row. Practice naming each of the blue cells by typing in the cell address, which is its location, into the blue cells. So let's look. Let's start here in the top row. This is located at C1 because the column is titled C and the row is titled 1. So in this box, we're going to type in C and the number 1 and hit enter. What did you notice? It says perfect. We did that right. Next, you're going to come over here to cell A2. It is in the A column and row 2. So we will type A2 and hit enter. Next, we're going to come over here to this blue cell. This is located in column D and row 8. So we're going to name it D8. And then after that, we're going to come to this final blue cell, which is located in the B column and row number 15. So we're going to name it B15. Okay, make sure that you're following along and doing that now. You can pause the video anytime you need in order to complete the steps on your sheet. All right, next we're on to number 3. Type today's date in cell F1. Type today's date in cell F1. All right, today is 10/14/19. You type that in there. Next, it says to use the fill handle to place the dates in F1 through F10. So what is the fill handle? The fill handle is this little tiny blue square at the very bottom corner, and it's going to do something very cool when you drag it down to F10. But first, this purple box is just a little tad bit in the way. So we're going to go ahead and move that out of the way so that we can access all the way from F1 to F10, and you're going to hover over that tiny little blue square and drag down until you get to F10. So what did you notice happened? Did you see that the dates increased just like they would on a calendar or the days of the week? Now what if we do the next step, which is to drag and drop the cells into G1 and G10? How are we going to do that? Let's click that fill handle and pull it over. Now what do we notice? The dates are increasing going across, just like so, just like the calendar. The purpose of this is to show you that you can enter a date one time and then use the fill handle to pull down or drag and drop and increase the dates on any spreadsheet that you're working on. And then it's telling you to delete the information from G4. So now we're going to click on G4. Whoops, that was G3. Here's G4. And you're simply going to click on the delete or backspace key. What happened? You deleted that cell is now blank, but it did not mess up the order in which your dates filled. It did not undo and change any of the other numbers. The dates still remain in order. All right, please rewatch this video. If you need help filling out any of this top section, there will be another video to help with the next section of this assignment.